Hey everybody, so I want to quickly show a new feature that I've recently added to my pinball cabinet. I'm sure I'm not the first person who's ever done this, but I haven't really seen much like it before, so I thought it might be worth sharing. Here you'll see Launchbox with lots of MAME games in there, and that's nothing new. I control that with a little USB wireless SNES style gamepad for most of those games. But you might see these little purple dots up and below at the top and bottom of my screen, and those show up on the camera, but in real life you don't see them at all. Those are infrared lights, and they are for this Lightgun, which is a Guncon 2 that's been converted to play MAME games with a tool called Namco. So let me show you quickly how this works. We're going to launch a Lightgun game, and I'm using a tool called Display Fusion that handles some of the screen preferences, different screen profiles. And it looks like I need to calibrate. Try to do all this one-handed here. Add a quarter just like I would for a normal MAME game or pinball. And here we go. Sorry, I'm no good at this one-handed, but I think you get the idea. So this is the light gun, and it just plugs into a USB port hidden underneath the cabinet, right underneath the left front leg. And you can see there I've got Area 51, Max Force, the Star Wars trilogy, arcade game, Time Crisis, The Lost World Jurassic Park, and Terminator 2 Judgment Day, just to name some of the light gun games that you can add if you add this to your pinball cabinet.